Hello, my friends, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Ellen here. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of y'all one of my favorite breakfasts growing up and still love it today. And I'm making these for my dad for Father's Day. Buttermilk pancakes. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and it's full of flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and it will be a hit at the breakfast table. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Southern Cheese Grits. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your buttermilk, and heat up your griddle sugar because we're about to cook some buttermilk pancakes magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. We need 2 cups of self-rising flour, and if you don't have self-rising flour, you can use all-purpose flour. So we're going to use my 1 cup measurement, and we're going to fluff it up and level it off. And voila, perfect cup. And we're going to pour it into my large bowl. Now we need another cup. Again, fluff it up and level it off, and another perfect cup. And into our self-rising flour, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of white sugar and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And if using all-purpose flour, add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to whisk the dry ingredients together until they're well combined. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my medium bowl, I have 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, that's a cupful. A half a teaspoon of pure maple extract, going to give it an extra flavor. 4 tablespoons, which is a half a stick of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. And 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk at room temperature. And this is my homemade buttermilk. I'll post the link to that recipe down below in the description box. And whisk all these together until they're well incorporated. Alrighty, now we are ready to combine the wet with the dry ingredients. We're going to make a well in the center and pour in the wet ingredients. And whisk until combined, and be careful not to overmix. Alright, my friends, our pancake batter is complete. So now I'm going to set this aside while I heat up my griddle. Alrighty, my griddle is nice and preheated. You can also cook them in the skillet on the stove top. I'm going to spray my griddle with cooking spray, or you can use butter. Now we are ready to pour the batter onto the hot griddle. And off camera, I pour my batter into a measuring cup. You want to use about a half to 2/3 of a cup of the batter per pancake. So now we're going to cook the pancakes for about 3 minutes until you don't see any more bubbles. Alright, my friends, time to flip the pancakes. Here we go. Wish me luck. Gorgeous! Came out nicely. Look how nice and golden brown they are. So now I'm going to add some butter on top. So now I'm going to let them finish cooking on the other side for another 3 minutes and just repeat the process. And I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of my pancakes, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through cooking my pancakes. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. My dad is going to love these. I have 3 on my plate, and this recipe makes about 6 to 7 pancakes. So now there's a couple of more things we got to add to it. Some more butter on top, of course, and the drizzling of maple syrup. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Homemade buttermilk pancakes. Doesn't that look good? And we made them completely from scratch. So now I'm about to serve these to my dad. Good morning, Daddy. Happy Father's Day.
Good morning. Happy Father's Day back to all of you all. Thank you.
I made you some homemade buttermilk pancakes.
Good.
All right, dig in. Let me know what you think.
Yeah, good.
Thank you. Are they fluffy and light?
Yes, they are.
All righty, Daddy. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Happy Father's Day, and I love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat. Much love and happy Father's Day.